What if you could set up one system today and have it bringing in sales every single day? Sounds simple, but almost no one builds it the right way. So today, I'll show you a simple email funnel you can build using Fluent CRM, one that actually responds to user behavior. And once it's live, it runs while you sleep. Usually, people send a lead magnet and just pray for a miracle. They don't know, what if a lead clicks? What if they don't? What if they're already a customer? That's the difference between a basic sequence and a converting funnel. To create one, let's start from scratch. Start with a clean, frictionless entry. This could be a lead magnet, an opt-in form, or a simple offer. At this stage, the goal is simple: deliver a quick win. Because quick wins build trust, and trust drives engagement faster than anything else. As soon as someone signs up, your funnel starts. Your first email matters more than any other. This is where they decide, is this worth my attention? So don't sell, help. Deliver the lead magnet instantly and add something extra, a tip, an insight, something they didn't expect. Make it feel valuable. This step is all about building momentum. Instead of sending random emails, you guide them with purpose. An email sequence is perfect for that. Each email in your sequence answers one simple question. Why should they keep paying attention to you? Clarity builds authority, and authority builds trust over time. And this is where most funnels quietly fail because they stop here. Now your funnel becomes intelligent. Instead of guessing, you start reacting. You track engagement: who clicks, who ignores, who converts, and more. Now you're not guessing anymore. You're making decisions based on real actions. Once you have the data, you segment your audience. This is where your email automation in WordPress becomes powerful because now your messaging adapts. People who are interacting, stop sending them basic content. That's when you step it up. Show proof, highlight benefits, maybe even add a time-sensitive offer. Now, what about the people who aren't clicking? They're not gone. They just didn't connect with your message yet. So instead of pushing harder, you change the angle. Try a different subject line, a quick reminder, or a "did you miss this?" follow-up. And then add a goal. If it's achieved, the funnel stops here. If not, it automatically moves to the next step. In case the goal isn't achieved, another offer will be sent with an exclusive offer for the lead, and so on. And here comes the best part about Fluent CRM. You can see exactly what's working. The automation report is designed to deliver you everything you need. Want to see the chart report, step report, or email analytics? You get it right where you need it. If a step isn't performing, you fix the funnel and go back to sleep while the system does the heavy lifting. So now you've seen how this works. The difference isn't just sending more emails. It's building a system that actually responds to your audience. If you're ready to build this system, start today and you'll begin seeing how it performs faster than you expect. Check the link in the description to get started with Fluent CRM. And if you want more practical strategies like this, subscribe to WPManageNinja so you never miss what actually works. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya!